everyone, welcome back to Cooking at Home. My name is Josh and today we're gonna make a very awesome chili oil. And we're gonna be using some Spanish chilies that is called Chile De Arbol, which in English it translates to chili of the tree. Or at least that's how I hear it. I'm sure it has a different name, so once I'm editing, I'm gonna throw it in there and we'll get out of the way. But anywho, when I hear the word Chile De Arbol, that to me in English it translates to that. Anywho, stay tuned. A super easy recipe and it lasts forever, okay? You can make so many things out of it. You can make pasta sauces, you can put it on dumplings, you can put it on tacos, you can make aiolis. I'm actually gonna be making aiolis and slaw mixes from this, so it's super good, okay? So whatever your mind can come up with in a way to utilize these oils, then definitely do it. So anywho, let's check this out. Oh, and by the way, make sure, I'm just gonna say the obvious, okay? Make sure there's no kids in the kitchen for this recipe because you're handling a lot of hot oil. So be careful yourself. Make sure there's no children around. You don't want hot oil dropping on the kids or your feet. And don't get mad at me if you do it, okay? Because I'm telling you not to do it, okay? You've been warned. Anywho, let's go to this video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just start off by toasting our peppers. So get ready, okay? Because it's gonna get spicy. You're gonna be sneezing, you're gonna be coughing, okay? Now, if you're not sneezing and you're not coughing, you're not doing it right, just so you know. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and toast my peppers into this very small cast iron pan that I decided to use instead of the large cast iron pan, just because, I don't know, I just didn't feel like reaching for it, you know? But anywho, I should use a large one. You don't need a cast iron pan, any pan works. We're not gonna toast them too long, so just lightly toast them and then set them aside. Now next, go ahead and grab a nice large pot for our oil. We're gonna go ahead and put in 4 cups of canola oil. And now we're going to bring it to heat and we're looking for 125 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want to burn what we're putting in there, okay? Because we're gonna throw in some garlic, we're gonna throw in some onion, and honestly, we're not trying to deep fry them, we're just trying to extract all that flavor and all that color out of our peppers. So once your oil has reached 125 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit maximum, kill the heat, grab a container or a bowl, grab a container and make sure it's heat proof. Gently pour your oil straight into your container. Throw in your garlic and make sure it's skin on. The skin on the garlic is just going to give it one extra layer of protection, okay? That way it's gonna brown, it's not gonna burn. Now, if you see that your garlic is starting to brown, then it's totally fine. It did its job. Just take it out and throw it away. You don't want it to get black, okay? Now in your bowl, go ahead and add in your toasted peppers. Throw in 1/4 of a whole red onion, and you don't have to slice them, just leave it stem on. It's just there for flavor. So once your oil has reached 125 degrees to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, kill the heat and carefully transfer the oil into your bowl. Do not be hasty, do not just dump it all because odds are you're gonna spill and you're gonna burn yourself. So gently pour it slowly. And you're gonna see the peppers and the oil is gonna start to fizz, it's gonna start to bubble, and you're gonna think that it's gonna overflow. Just slowly add it in, okay? Don't let it overflow. So once you see that your oil is boiling inside the bowl, don't worry, you're fine. As long as you don't throw it on the floor, you got nothing to worry about. It's just frying up your spices in there. Now for my favorite part, we're gonna go ahead and put in 8 ounces of crushed red pepper in there and just give it a quick mix. And now we're just going to let it sit and cool off in room temperature. So go ahead and place your oil in a corner somewhere where no one's gonna touch it. Children won't be around it because it's going to be hot for a while. Now, while your oil is cooling down, I would say every 20 minutes or so, come by, check it out, go see how it's doing. Grab a spatula, something that you can crush it with, and just press the peppers down. That way you can kind of just push out and squeeze out all those juices that are inside of the peppers. Okay, you want to just press the hell out of it, okay? Don't worry about it, just press them and get all that flavor out and just occasionally stir. Now remember, before using this oil, make sure that you occasionally just stir it. That way all the salt, all the peppers that are in the bottom are going to be fully incorporated. Awesome. Now once your oil is done cooling down and you have extracted all the juice that it can possibly have out of these peppers, go ahead and just take out the large pieces of peppers and just toss them aside. Now for me, I'm gonna keep it in there because my oil is not gonna last that long and I'm gonna use it for the picture, okay? So that being said, it's a lot easier. Just take out these peppers, make sure you extracted all the juices and you press all the juices out of these peppers before discarding them. But definitely keep the crushed pepper that's in the bottom. Don't throw that away. Just the large chili peppers, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed and you find many awesome ways of utilizing this oil. Don't forget to comment and like, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.